Today at Putnut's we're comparing sugar-free ketchup. Stay tuned. Heinz no sugar added tomato ketchup is going to go first. And the ingredients: tomato concentrate from red ripe tomatoes, distilled white vinegar, salt, natural flavoring, onion powder, sucralose, and spice. I know sucralose is a big deal to some people. These aren't necessarily clean keto, but they are low carb ketchup, low sugar ketchups. So I'm going to squirt a little bit in the spoon here. You can see, acts just like ketchup. What about taste, you say? Well, this one has a rich tomatoey flavor, very vinegary, not very sweet. There's not a whole lot of sucralose in it. It tastes a lot like real Heinz ketchup. Maybe a little less sweet, but not much. Now, second of all, I'm going to take a look at the Hughes sugar-free ketchup. It says it's award-winning. Now, the ingredients say vine-ripened tomato concentrate, distilled vinegar, modified cornstarch, salt, garlic powder, spices, and also sucralose. So, it's got two no-nos if you're on clean keto, but still, all three of these have 1 gram per tablespoon. So, let's take a look at this one. It's nice and thick. I just shook it up. I shook all three of these up right before I started. There it goes. Now let's see what it looks like when you put it on the spoon here. This one runs out very much like regular ketchup. It's nice. It's thick. Comes out like real ketchup. And as for the taste, very much like any ketchup you'd buy in the store. If you like Hunt's or Aldi brand ketchup, Hughes tastes exactly like those. Now, last but not least, our also most expensive brand, Yo Mama's ketchup. Now, I can see why they called this Yo Mama's ketchup, because I just stirred it up. I just shook it up before I started, and you can kind of see it's a bit more on the runny side and a little bit chunky. Let's pour some out and see what it looks like on a spoon here. You can see it just comes running out. It's very much like homemade ketchup. Not really like store-bought, it's more like homemade. You can see when it runs, it leaves a thin film of liquid behind. But flavor-wise, a very rich tomato flavor. Sweet, but not too sweet. Very tomatoey, not too vinegary. And the ingredients on this one, for those on clean keto, they're going to be so happy. Non-GMO tomato concentrate, water, apple cider vinegar, sea salt, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, mustard seed, bay leaf, and monk fruit extract. Vegan and gluten-free. So, the Yo Mama's wins if you're looking for clean keto. And it does have, all three have a wonderful flavor. If you're looking for Heinz, if you're a big fan of original Heinz, go with the Heinz. It's got sucralose. Doesn't have very much sucralose. It's not real sweet. It tastes very much like real Heinz ketchup. If you like a little sweeter ketchup, like I said, Hunt's, maybe Aldi brand, the Hughes. It has two no-nos in it if you're on clean keto. It's got the modified cornstarch and the sucralose. But this is a very good tasting ketchup. None of these, in my opinion, is a loser. They're all a winning ketchup. They all taste really good. This one's a little runnier. If you put it on bread or something, it tends to soak in. The other two, sweeter, tartar, homemade. That's what you need to know. Sweeter, tartar, homemade. One thing you may have noticed, we're in a different location. I have moved from Florida. I'm in Arkansas looking for a new house. We're in a rental right now, so this is what I've got. Please bear with me. Hi, this is Putnut. If you enjoyed that, click right over here for more low-carb recipes and reviews. And if you love the channel, please click right here to subscribe. It really helps. And thank you very much for watching. Please be assured we here at Putnut's Kitchen appreciate every minute you spend with us.